Hello, welcome guys. This tutorial is about Django deployment to Heroku. Before beginning the tutorial, I am expecting you to know about Django and GitHub repositories. For this tutorial, I created a very basic Django app. Project name is demo and app name is demo app. So let's copy the path first. I created an environment for this app before itself, so let's activate it. Now we are in virtual environment, so let's run the server and check our app. Python manage.py run server. I am not assigning any ports, so by default it will take 8000. Great, our app is working. So to host this app or deploy this app into Heroku, we need to create 3 files. The first one is proc file. This file is used to provide Heroku the information related to web server. So web colon. So I am using unicorn. So type it and name of the project here, it is demo dot wsgi. So you can check under the project folder. wsgi.py is a file by default available with every project. So log file space hyphen. This is the syntax. So done. Let's save the file and let's create a next file, runtime.txt. This file is used to provide information for Heroku regarding programming language. So our project is a Django project which is based on Python. So let's give the name Python and version of the Python hyphen 3.7.0. That's it. So let's save the file and let's create a third file, requirements.txt. We can use our command prompt. So let's stop the server. Pip phrase greater than symbol and requirements.txt. This is the syntax to create requirements file in our project folder. Done. These are all the dependencies for my current Django project. So if you feel like a dependency is not required, you can always delete them. So let's add unicorn. So let's check the current version of unicorn. Yeah, it's 20.1.0. Save the file and that's done. All the prerequisites to deploy this project into Heroku has been completed. So let's push this entire project into our GitHub repository. So I'm using GitHub desktop. So these are all the project files. Click on commit. So my current repository name is Django-Heroku-sample. Let me publish this one. So it is a new repository which is not available in my GitHub. So I have to publish this once and it's done. You can log in into heroku.com. After logging in, you can see a dashboard like this. Click on new and click on create new app. We have to give some unique name for the app. Let's try demo-heroku -new. Oops, it's already taken. So let's try new dude. It's available. Create app. So under deployment, you can see a GitHub option. Click on that one and type your repository name, search, and click connect. Once the repository is connected, you can click deploy branch. So let me pause it, it will take some time. Push file, it is related to collect static. By default, Heroku will try to run the command collect static. So if you want to disable that one, go to settings, click on reveal config vares and add collect static, disable collect static, and then give it value of 1. We can use this option to provide secret key. So we don't want to directly provide secret key in setting files. So we can use this option and then deploy branch. It's done. So we can see the URL for the hosted project. Click on the view. It's been hosted, but we can see some error. You may need to add demo. So it is related to hosts. Go to settings, allow all the hosts. Commit again one more time and push the changes. So we are pushing our changes to master branch. We can use enable automatic deploys, but let's deploy it. It's successfully deployed. So let's view our app. It's done. So guys, if you like this video, please click on like button and then subscribe. Thank you.